missed. I can't reach.
There we go.
Guys, I can't see.
Meredith, John, move. John, move. Meredith, come up and see.
I have lizard number 2 with me.
Who's interested in those? I think he likes the attention.
Alright, put it out of this dish. Put it on the ground right here. Put it on the ground. No, see, he's trying to get the tweezers. He's not interested in the mouse, he's interested in the tweezers. Alright, put it down. Ah!
Damn it, someone didn't get it.
He just ate a mouse!
Yeah!
Wait, it's in his, like, his neck.
Did he eat it?
Yeah, he just ate it.
Victory! It's like, yeah.
Did you take a picture of it?
You're in the video.
Where is it?
It's in his belly.
Did he swallow it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gone.
Oh man, you people are cleaning out that poop.
Alright. Well, that was a waste of a 5-minute video.
I got it good.
Send it to me. With your amazing camera.
Oh, he's looking at you taking a picture of him. Look at him, he's got his... Dexter, you want one? You want a mouse too? Look at his stomach now. Look at him, look at that camera.
Look how bad.
Looks like a bamboo.
Look how bad the quality is.
Doesn't he look like a monkey?
No, it's only because it's so
Can
close.
you trim?
His is ready to like open
Can
his
you trim
mouth. He wants
videos?
another one. That was good.
Do you like that?
He's a fat son.
Can you Bluetooth it to me?
Yeah.
I saw that.
Can you bump it